What we have only this house is 20 million standard street last year. Mostly after 95. So this has more central and then it has two main structure. The corner part, yes, all use shipping containers. That is one of the from other companies use cheaper one. We use
So it's easier to pick up and place because you've got the weight bearing corners, pick up the whole house with a crane.
Actually, if 20 feet the small one, this one, the small one actually don't do it. You can see actually the trunk. Yesterday, in Australia, many areas actually don't have very and the truck will have an electric
Winch, like the Jeep. So this piece and this piece weigh much less than the central piece, right?
Yes.
So when you pick it up, this doesn't put a lot of stress right here. All the weight of this. This is a joint, a weak point, right?
Yeah.
So a lot of weight here would be a problem. So you want to have most of the stability and the weight of the shipping container provides the core of the stable.
3 years ago, when the most problem we meet is this area. They cannot holding the weight and the water come from there when it rain. And then we change this. We put a column saving this wall. Actually, there is some inside.
So this corner, the corner of this wall is actually attached to the shipping container. The top beam of the shipping container goes here to there, and then you're gonna have some sort of a tie in like this to support this corner. This is weight bearing.
Yes,
right here, and it can provide twisting point to cause, as you say, water to come in or whatever. And probably it's the installation that causes that first strain, stress. Pick it up and then place it down. If it's not a good level surface, you can cause a break there.
Because sometimes the outside roof is water welding. Sometimes they are welding not good. Also will change.
So underneath, there's no opening down. Right? No opening down. No opening up. This there's no air. All the air vent, like from the fan from the bathroom, goes out through the wall. Nothing up or down.
Yes.
Okay. I think this is really good. There's the reason to use the shipping container. The purpose is that. So there's no kitchen, right? This is just
actually, this one we don't prefer because the side, we close.
So people will sit something on there
themselves.
But I don't see power and gas and
now we have new designs, move the door to there and the food kitchen at there. Also they can make the top.
Okay. So the bathroom is the same. Exactly the same.
This bathroom has
This seems better. This aluminum cover, which wasn't on the other one.
We've been growing up, but that's the most problem is some Australian dealer when they accept one price, one seller, they took 30 off. They don't want to change. We cannot change for them. I think so.
Key uncertainties and things that can cause difficulties with the client is you know what it looked like when you left here and you were happy with the standard. But then if somebody does work there, the worker in the assembly, the worker who does the electrical, the worker who does, you have to deal with a local worker. Is this a big issue? We have a problem. Like if you design and plan well, then there's less for them to do.
Yeah.
And the less they do, the better. Then you can make sure the standard is high, right?
Yeah.
How do you work on that? How do you make it so that it's, we call this idiot-proof? It can't be broken by an idiot there. For example, this is on right from the beginning.
Right.
Yeah, so I mean, if in other places in Canada, when we build a shipping container, they would buy the door, they would buy the whole door, they would choose which door they wanted, the glass or the wood, whatever, and they would have a builder build the door. And they would build it on site with materials because they probably, if it's Canada, you would have a wooden frame.
Wooden frame, I know that.
Yeah, so
soundproof, very good.
So to a certain extent, if I use local materials and a good local crafts person, they can make a beautiful front, you know, and maybe I am more happy because it looks and feels like my community because my worker did it. But it could be that maybe they don't have a good person and people don't like your product because someone did a bad job on the front. So it's a balance. How do you deal with that, I guess?
You know, sometimes that is why I started to Australia very good. I live in 5 years. I will teach myself how to communicate with Australian customers. What they should do, what they don't do. What you said is a hard part. When we open the Australian company, we need to do after sales.
Of course. I mean, I think if you've got one set of windows that meet your needs and always the same window, then maybe if someone says, oh, there's a leak in this window, the window is damaged, one of the air locks is broken or something, they put it in wrong, blah, 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 then your after sale, maybe that you want them to be most comfortable with the windows because they use the windows every day and the windows control water coming in.
This one for China is enough for water leaking, but this window, 70% of Australian customers, the window broken, the water coming in too small. How we find this problem in China?